Stock tip. Best stock setups.
Welcome back to your favorite show, Stock Tip Daily Update with me, Marcel Todia. So what happened today in the markets? Well, the S&P 500 pretty much resumed its movement down here with minus 0.5%, and the NASDAQ pretty much joined suit here, also minus 0.5%. It doesn't look like something that would change the face of the earth, but it was a nice confirmation of our breakdown here. Overall, it was a nice addition to the profits, which I've registered since breaking down. I think my position started at let's go to the SPY at 399.1. This is where my position started, and I was able to I didn't cash out for the time being. I still don't want to cash out. Perhaps I'm making a mistake, but I pretty much don't intend to. I intend on cashing out when we reach 3,700 or 3,600. What I wanted to say was that the market has developed into a flag here, beginning with 7 o'clock for myself. For you, no. What is this? No, this is the 19th. No, beginning. Actually, I think starting with the beginning of the trading hours. So the market has pretty much developed into a flag today, and I'm curious in which way it's going to end. Are we going to break down? Then I think we are definitely going to get a bit closer to our target here, 3,639. On the other side, if we are going to break out and break through this top trend line here, I don't know. I'm pretty much being careful here. I've seen it a couple of times in this with the same scenario here since the beginning of the correction. So we have a nice trend up, and then bang, a huge gap down and a sell-off. Nice trend up, a huge gap down with a sell-off and a continued sell-off. Here the same story. I think here the same story. So I don't have that much faith that the market is ready for a turn. I think that many investors are now looking for the support line and are to start investing again when we reach this support line and not sooner. At least that's according to my belief and to my analysis. So the NASDAQ performed pretty much the same way here. You can also see a small flag here developing, this flag here developing, and it's not that easy to, or this might just be a triangle here. It's not that easy to see like the other one. The other one was a bit more clear to see, but at the end of the day, it's the same story. The IVM didn't offer us too much today. Also pulled back here and then continued down. The DAX was a bit surprising with plus 1.5%, but it's pretty much nothing that would change this trend for the time being. What was surprising was this move in the pair euro to US dollar, so 1.8% today. But if you take a look at the recent history here, we have the same move here, 1, 2, 3, and then down again. This might be the number 2, or it might just be that we are already here. I don't know if you are going to turn down again or if you are going to start climbing a bit, because we already hit our historical low, but I do know that it's getting interesting by the day. Oil and gold and silver haven't done anything, pretty much anything. So oil shows 1.6% here in plus, and gold 1.5%, but the trend remains pretty much the same, so nothing changed since yesterday. To my portfolio, I've offered you yesterday some And today also, I think today I've posted it on the website on stockmindstip.com. I've posted both of them, so I offered you some setups here adapted to the current conjecture, and I'm speaking of ABBV and NOC. So I offered you these setups because they are short, very good short setups, and I've suggested disclaimer alert, I've suggested a short, or I said a short would be possible, in my opinion, beneath the 151.2. I actually managed to buy it at to sell it at 151.7, and I've placed my initial stop at 156. I'm almost ready to lower my stop and to place it at 153, but I need to see that it's going to break down. NOC, some way a different setup. This is a triangle and with a breakdown through the triangle, but this breakdown didn't hold to the end of the day. We've pretty much ended with a sort of a doji, if not a hammer, but for me it looks more like a doji. But on the plus side here, I am able to lower my initial stop here from 464 to 454, and by doing that, I'm pretty much reducing my my risk by 2, so to say, by a factor of 2. So I'm cutting my risk in half, and that's good for me. That's this would mean even if the trade isn't going to go my way, even if the market is going to turn back up again, I am still not even going to risk or to lose a whole position here, the whole risk. Well, that being said, I've pretty much covered everything. No new setups today. We should just have to wait and see in which direction the market is heading. And these two were the best I had for the time being. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and follow me on the social networks on Facebook and Instagram for some more setups. Well, thanks for joining, and see you again tomorrow.